In this video, I'll show you how to add text to whiteboards in ClickUp. To get started, open the whiteboard where you want to add text. Adding text to a whiteboard lets you create headings, labels, notes, and instructions that make your ideas easier to organize and understand. From the toolbar on the lower part of the whiteboard, click the Text tool. Next, click anywhere on the whiteboard canvas where you want your text to appear. A text box will be created automatically. Then, begin typing your text. Once you've entered your text, click outside the text box to finish editing. To make changes later, simply double click the text box to edit its contents. Use the formatting options in the toolbar to customize the appearance of your text, and you can change the font size, apply bold or italic formatting, or adjust the text color. You can also move the text by clicking and dragging it to a new location on the whiteboard. You can add as many text boxes as needed to organize different sections of your whiteboard and create a more structured layout. And that's how to add text to whiteboards in ClickUp. I hope this video is useful, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below.